if you're having trouble setting up multiplayer on your Xbox Series X, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Step 1. Check Xbox Live status. Visit the Xbox Live status page to ensure that there are no ongoing outages or maintenance that could be affecting multiplayer services. Step 2. Test network connection. Go to Settings, select Network, and then choose Network Settings. From there, select Test Network Connection to ensure your console is connected to the internet. Step 3. Update console software. Make sure your Xbox Series X is running the latest software. Go to Settings, select System, and then choose Updates to check for and install any available updates. Step 4. Check Privacy and Online Safety settings. Navigate to Settings, select Account, and then choose Privacy and Online Safety. Review your settings to ensure that they allow for multiplayer gaming and that your account is not restricted. Step 5. Restart your console. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve connectivity issues. Press and hold the Xbox button on your controller, select Restart Console, and then choose Restart. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve any multiplayer issues on your Xbox Series X. If problems persist, consider reaching out to Xbox support for further assistance.